Hi guys, today I just came with one platform that is called mstock. So I was like, surprised, exactly what is it. So I'll just tell you the what benefits you get in this. So you can just see over here what is the difference between the other brokers. You can just see that, and what is the difference between the mstock. So other brokers, when you buy, buying options like options, they will charge 20 rupees for a buy and 20 rupees for a sell. For an example, if you're taking 10 trades a day, okay, if you're taking a 10 trades a day, definitely the cost is about, you're just paying for a brokerage of 400 rupees, okay, paying a brokerage of 400 rupees. Then 365 days, 250 days you trade, okay, 250 days you trade, 250 days you trade, and brokerage which you pay, is 1 lakh approximately to the broker, right? So what benefit M stock gives? Okay, so that is something unique, over here in the market. As you can just see that. So the same scenario, when you just go over here in M stock, the buy is 0, sell is also 0, and this 400 rupees is also 0, and this 1 lakh is also 0. So that is the reason, okay, here you are getting that 0 brokerage. Brokerage is equal to 0. So that is a benefit over here. So in this, what's the scenario? Because obviously, if you're an option trader, if you're taking any, like any trade in M stock, the brokerage charge is 0. So what you're saving is you're directly saving this 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh rupees which you pay yearly. 1 lakh rupees which you pay yearly to any broker. This is being 0. Say that if you're using M stock, that 1 lakh, what you're paying to the other brokers for the year, it's becoming 0. So that is a very important point in M stock. For the option traders, if you're going with a huge quantity, maybe around up to you around 500 or maybe around 1000 quantity, also it's up to you. So it's brokerage is 0. So that is where you can just save your capital. Or else what will happen is, like, if your profit is around, just example, if you're just taking a profit of 2000, the brokerage is also more than that. So the calculation will go down. That's where you just see that profit in your account of 2000, and when actually you see, and yeah, it goes up, it just goes, the 2000 will be around 1600 or something like that, because the multiple trade is happening. And yeah, this M stock platform is very good for the scalper, very good for the scalper, because you know that the scalpers with a huge quantity and the less points, so it's very good because your brokerage is saved of the 20 rupees buy and sell. Today we will just talk about a new platform that is called M stock by Mire Asset. So what is the benefit in this account? I'll just go in deep in this, so that you can just save a lot of money on brokerage and all. So first thing, you can just see that on screen, 0 brokerage, no hidden charges, and you can see over here, free intraday, free delivery, free FNO, then free currency, free mutual fund, free IPOs, and free e-margin facility is what it's giving you, and no limit to number of orders, no date of expiry, no subscription attachment. So these are the major benefits, what this platform is giving. Okay, so now whether we should go for it or whether we should not go for it, so we will just go with the trust factor of Mire Asset. So we'll just see that what are the offerings it's giving you, and as well as the trust factor is very important, whether we should go ahead with that or not. So I'll just tell you the logic for what. The next part is, you can just see over here, all trading and investment product and 0 brokerage. So margin trading facilities there, then stocks, 1-click order placement, 5-minute onboarding, fundamental data and technical chart, then future and options. So over here, super, the main thing is, like, the platform should be very fast, and advanced calculator is also there over here. And in currency, live global market updates you'll get, mutual fund, earn up to 1% higher return, no commission. And then you can just see that simple and secure, convenient tracking. Okay, this is what it just gives you, and with a 0 brokerage. So that is very important. That the main catchy about this platform is that it's going in a 0 brokerage, and yeah, technology they are using, smart and secure, super fast, 5-minute onboarding. And over here you can just see that 25 years of excellence it has already been there. And there is a AUM worldwide of maybe like $600 billion,
over here, and already 1.2 crore trades per day it's happening, and you can just see that the presence of this is in Canada, United States, Colombia, China, Singapore, now in India, and yeah, and in India for 15 years, what it has done, you can just see that over here. There is around AUM in India, it's already 104,756 crore and 51 lakh clients, already there across India. So that's a good part over here. And the next one is, and there's a calculator also over here that, I will just show you the calculator exactly. Before that, going to the calculator, we'll just see the pricing of this, how it goes. So you can just see over here, it's a zero brokerage for life across all product, but no limit orders, no subscription, no annual charges. There is no brokerage commitment, no expiry, no call, trade charges, and demat, and trading account opening charges. It's 999, zero brokerage for lifetime. So that's a good option because over here, or else you can go with 149 rupees, zero brokerage delivery, mutual fund, and IPO. An optional you have one more, that is 999 free AMC. Opt for the free lifetime AMC by paying an additional 999, so that 120 every quarter as an AMC you can go ahead. And comparison, okay, just see the comparison over here. That's very important. See the comparison over here, what M stock is giving you right now. See, M stock, everything is 000, the brokerage and all. Over here you can just see that full service broker, they are just taking so much of, like the brokerage charges and the discount broker, you can just see for options, because normally a lot of people do an option trade. So for them, you can just see that just going with 20 rupees per day. So that's what is the scenario over here. And see, and yeah, we'll just calculate, how much saving you can do. So people normally forget, what the saving they do. So right now, I'll just calculate on options. And if you're going with the, 10 lot size, or maybe depends upon, how much lot size. So average I'm taking. So average buy and sell. And if you're taking only 10 lots, okay, right now, you're just taking 10 lots. So yearly, see, this is a brokerage amount which you pay right now, okay. So this is a yearly brokerage amount you pay to the broker, and this is what the saving comes. If you're going with a 10 lots day, so you're just, saving around 48,000 over here. There's a calculator, you can just go with this, or else you're taking, 25 lots daily. So this is what you are, average, what you can, save from your this thing brokerage. That is 1,20,000. That's what the scenario is. So it's better, because the pricing, everything is going good and there is no brokerage. So according to me, what you can do is, you can just open this account and you can just try with that, and you can just see the platform and how it works. And the pricing is very good because in zero brokerage for yearly, if it go, you're getting no brokerage at 999, and AMC is also free for you. And the major part of this, M stock, because Mire Asset is already known, all over the world, you can say. It has a presence of maybe in 25 countries. So now it's in India and it already has a presence. So yeah, you can just open a Demat account using the link. It's already given in my description. So open the link using, open the account using my link, which is already provided in the description. And yeah, so I just suggest you, if you're going with a higher lot size and all, you can go ahead with M stock. And a lot of, customer service is also very good in this. So that's all I want to say, guys. Just
Investments in securities markets are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.